Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to KZ Tandingan and Regine Velasquez singing, I don't know.
Singing Sobrang Galing ni...
That's the
Oh, I don't know.
We're gonna find out. So it's gonna be a surprise reaction then. We know that who's gonna be the singer, but we don't know. This is Fabio's request because he missed reactions.
It's from one of you guys actually requested this video and DM'd me on my Instagram. So thank you for that request. Hopefully we like the song. I have the feeling it's not in English, so I'm gonna be struggling with that. But you know how much I love KZ, so I'm gonna bear with it.
We all love KZ here, so make sure to subscribe. We're almost to 100K, and please like this video, comment below, and
yes,
some videos.
Please help us in this journey. We're almost there, 100,000 subscribers, and we really want to get there by the end of the year. So
you guys, my hair is so long now. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Oh, it's. You sound like a dog. It's Adele. Dreams come true.
Her voice is so good in this. And her costume as usual.
I feel like this is gonna be good.
Her voice is
I just don't know how she's gonna sing with Regine, because Regine is all...
That's true.
Ballads.
It's more opera. Oh!
Well, Regine can sing everything, so there's no doubt about that.
Regine looks very good.
This is what I sing when I see a very expensive item in the store.
Let's hear this.
I love her hair. I love her outfit. She looks like a disco ball.
Yeah. And she put some of the outfit also on her face. Look, with that highlight.
Yes, the passion.
I miss so much seeing her performing because she's so into what she's doing.
You can see the passion, right?
Yeah. And then their voices are so different.
But in some weird way, they complement each other.
Yeah, they blend very well. Because Regine is more, you can tell she's more technical and very clean voice.
And very effortless when she hits the high notes.
Yeah. Wow, I like that.
Wow.
Wow. There we go.
Is she gonna rap? She has to rap.
She has to.
She looks like an ornament, a Christmas tree ornament.
Look, they blend together because she's gold, she's red.
Oh, it's an Adelle Medley.
Oh. Why only KZ has the light spotlight though? Wow, Regine.
She always has a very flawless voice.
Yeah.
Table.
Wow, I like what KZ just did here.
I love her hair.
Right, it's so beautiful.
But then her highlight complements her outfit.
They both have a very full voice.
Yeah.
Wow.
All the runs.
Yeah, you can breathe because the sentence is so long.
You love to hurt me.
They have such a different style.
Even
in the outfit, even how they present themselves on the
stage. Well, KZ is a pop star. Like she's very millennial.
Yeah. Wow.
They made their song herself. Like
Yeah.
they're not trying to be Adele here. They're
No.
trying to be themselves.
Because you know how KZ always modifies the song in such a way.
Braver I'll be.
Yeah, she's feeling it.
I feel like a rap is coming soon.
I have that feeling too. Yeah.
Or is this just a pure ballad? Oh wow, look at that.
Wow. I have to say I don't know too much about Regine besides those couple of videos we reacted to. But KZ, her voice transformed in the past 2 years.
Yeah.
In a very good way. Probably she has an amazing vocal coach.
Wow.
Wow, those drums.
Very nice.
Oh.
Oh, this is
What
where
is
the
this one?
this is where the rap's gonna. Oh, you don't know this song? Adele. I feel like this is where the rap's gonna come.
Oh. What song is this?
Adele.
I don't think I know it. Oh.
The biggest hit of Adele.
I know this song obviously.
Finally, I can see you crystal clear. Damn.
Look how she moves. She loves dancing.
She feels the music. She feels the beat. That's our KZ, okay?
Sometimes I feel like she forgets she's on stage because she saw herself today. I'm so Italian with these hands.
Look at her. Take us to church. I love her voice. Hey, I love her style. Yeah, the rap is coming here.
Yeah.
Didn't she sing this in the Chinese whatever?
I think that's
Didn't
the one.
Damn.
Remember when she was saying I can't reach high notes anymore? But those are all high.
Well, they're bridge. They're not that high, but obviously this is very easy for Regine because Regine is very high notes.
Yeah, it's probably low for Regine. She's like,
you know, she transferred. Regine transferred a TV station now. She's not.
Such a good this song. You know, when they look for KZ, they're like, oh, just follow the glitter. You'll find her.
She does that because she's very short, so she needs something for people to look for her. They're both wearing heels too, eh?
Yeah.
Rap.
Look what she was doing with that.
KZ's taking us to church.
It looks like KZ is at a Regine concert. Just like
she's like an audience dancing.
She's like an.
She's taking us to church though. There we go. Wait, where's the rap, KZ? Damn, Regine, I got goosebumps. I don't know, all of a sudden I got goosebumps. Of course, they have to end it with a very powerful note.
Oh my goodness. See, this was a good reaction.
It was. Okay, it was very good.
Thank you, whoever you are that suggested this one.
Thank you.
I loved it.
We loved it. It was very entertaining. And KZ looks like she is in the audience for real. She's not moving like a normal person.
She's so enjoying her life. She's like,
living.
I'm gonna love it. I'm gonna enjoy every second.
Yeah.
And you can tell her, these songs, she made it
She's taking us to church. She took us to church.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna praise you. Yeah.
You better praise her.
It was a beautiful reaction. So thank you so much, guys, for suggesting this one. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment down below what kind of reaction you would like to see next, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye!
Bye!